Look at these. I've got to get these to you guys. 5. Hello guys, how are you? Right, here we go. There's a switch, and back on again. Big cord over from Aaron. Cord over from Samson as well. Hello mate, how are you? Hello guys. Sea grab in the air, the sea grab in the air. Whoa, big stripper from Aaron there, the paint stripper. Cliffhanger from Samson, look at his arms go on that one. Whoa, there's a cliffhanger as well, I'm not quite getting the grip I wanted on that one. Nice cliffhanger from Aaron, that's how it should be done. Whoa, one-handed grab from Samson, haven't seen him do that one in a long while. Having a look at the time there on that one, don't know if you saw that. Big heart attack from Aaron. Here comes Samson, let's see what Samson's got. Oh, look at him, switch his body up there. Super flexible Samson. Look back, hard attack. Nothing there from Aaron. That's not that he did nothing, that's actually called a nothing. Look at Samson, rock solid from Samson. He obviously had some noise from the crowd out there, spurring him on. Holy grab, the double grab Indy. Aaron going for a C grab but not actually getting the legs off. That'd be a toilet grab, they call that one. Samson with the turn down. Let's have a go with these, shall we? Just get myself back on the bike just before we land there. Oh my word, look at that whip there from Samson. Absolutely crazy from Samson. That's how a motorcycle should be whipped. I can't do that one. Having another go with the KOD there. Cliffhanger from Aaron. Oh, there's a switch from Samson. He's still okay out there, heathfield. He's still enjoying the action. That's what we need to check. We need to make sure that you guys are having fun. We'll keep things rolling. There's a dead body. No-handed double cam from Aaron, nicely extended. Lazy boy from Samson. You're seeing all the freestyle motocross tricks out here today. As you can appreciate, it's a little bit windy for the backflip. Double grab there. Here comes Aaron. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting very close towards the end of the show, but we like to finish on a little bit of a high. So what I'd like to do for you guys is what we call a freestyle motocross train. Tell you what, put your hands up in the air if you know what a train is. Okay, put your hands up in the air if you don't know what a train is. Put your hands up in the air if you don't really care what a train is.